G'day folks. Well, it's 11 days since we planted our seeds, and we've moved them from the greenhouse behind me into an out half sun and half shade area. Seedlings are looking quite healthy for 11 days. Cucumbers there and tomatoes there. And later that day, not in the video, I planted some dahlias as well. They remain in these plastic plant sources with the hole drilled here, and the plug for plugging up when you want to flood irrigate. I have a dripper that comes on for 20 minutes once a day in the late mornings, and if I want to flood this tray, I just put the plug in. The tomatoes, most of them, 2 plants come up in each pot, and I thin them out to the strongest one. Not much to do with them for a few days. The cucumbers need a small support now because they're flopping over. It's too early to plant them into the final position, but we still need to support them. These items here, very cheaply available, and skewers. Now, hopefully you can see this on the video. We're close up with these little spring clips, and they have a small area that grips the bamboo skewers. I'll try to do this with one hand. If you can see that or not. It grips on there and leaves a big recess so that the plant can move around inside the grip. Now a packet of these is just a few dollars, if that, in the supermarket, and these are very cheap as well in the garden shop or hardware shop, and of course they're reusable many times over. We do things the cheapest way in Kevs Garden, don't worry about that. Just take our skewer and place it next to the plant, and then place one of these little plant clips on the skewer, and grasp the plant. Now you can see here that these little clips don't actually grab the plants, it's just loosely held in there, but there's a little tooth that grips onto the skewer. They're very handy. So now these are supported well for a further week or so of growth in these pots. I just want to make a point here in the video. Be sure that your seedlings are getting at least half a day of sun in the position they're in. You don't want to have to be getting them used to the sun before you plant them out. They want to be well used to it at the time you're ready to plant them. So now you can see we have all the cucumbers supported by the stakes and the spring clips. They're all settled in and they'll grow for a week or so until they're ready for planting out. Now the tomatoes will have the same process of the spring clips and the little stakes, the little skewers, probably in a week or so time when they get tall and start to flop over. So that's it folks. We'll let the nature do its thing, and them little seedlings will grow, and we'll return when it's time to plant them out. Your only job now is to keep the little seedlings moist, but not too wet, and visit them daily or at least every second day and check on them. And that's it for that process. Thanks for watching the video.